All right, so you might hear your real estate agent or realtor tell you this. They don't want you to use a loan officer or a lender that's from a online lending institution, a bank, or a credit union, and here's why. It's mainly a case of bad reputation, but there's tangible things you can point to that cause it, okay? I'm going to list 6 of them. All right, number 1, they are usually not used to closing quick. It's not their specialty at all. Their management isn't willing often to pay for the support to get loans closed quickly. It takes manpower to do that. So when other bidders can close fast and you can't, you could lose the offer. Number 2, they are transactionally based, not referral based, meaning there's often not much incentive for them to meet their closing date. Okay, if the closing date is missed, all hell breaks loose. Number 3, they very often do not answer their phones on the weekends and weeknights when real estate happens. Okay, ridiculous, I know. This is largely a weekend business. Number 4, lots of these loan officers aren't paid to close the loan. They're just paid hourly. And so there's no incentive for them to give you a good experience, make you happy, then have you go back to them for the next time they need a loan. Management wants you to be happy over there, but the individual workers, loan officers, might not be as nice or courteous or on top of things for you that you would want. Number 5, a lot of these companies will have good mousetraps to get you to their site and then have inexperienced loan officers that just don't get paid much, again, to close the deal. Number 6, because of all these things, they scare the bejesus out of listing agents who choose whose offer to accept or not. These listing agents have often had way too many bad experiences with these types of lenders. Maybe one of them gave expectations that they were going to do one thing, but then did another. Maybe one told a buyer that they had to increase their down payment by 5% just a couple days before closing. Maybe they said they couldn't close at the last minute. They missed closing date. Who knows? So if the listing agent has a completely identical offer as yours, but from another lender that's not from one of those types of financial institutions, then they're going to favor that other lender and that buyer's offer over the buyer with the bank, credit union, or online lender's offer. Guys, I have conversations with agents all the time, every week about this stuff. They dread having to deal with these banks, big banks, credit unions, and online lenders. I'm sure there's plenty more you could add in here, but these are just the biggest things I can point to. And I even used to work at one of these lenders, and I saw a lot of this nonsense that I'm talking about happen. And it was a real issue for me at times to get offers accepted because we had a poor reputation. And it's one of the reasons why I came to work for the company that I'm at now. So happy times. But guys, thanks for hearing me out there. Stay tuned for the next one, and please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.